Hi guys, I'm back here again. It's that time of the year. The keynote just got done about a couple of weeks back, and I'm here with the brand new iPhone. And it's called the iPhone XS and iPhone XS Max. I've opted for the XS Max because I'm a big lover of huge screens, big phones. I'm a photographer, so to show pictures it also looks nice on a bigger screen. So I've gone in for the XS Max and 512 GB to make sure all my data is stored over here and I don't have a problem with space anymore. So this beast is over here. Let's unbox it and see how it looks inside. Again, comes with an amazing packaging from Apple as usual. Immaculate packaging. Oh, I'm really excited to see how these things look. Come on, there you go. That's the Pandora's box opening. It says designed by Apple. The packaging is just amazing. Oh my God, look at this beauty. Look at that. This must be the maybe first few phones in India, and here it is. Oh my God, I'm really excited with this device. Let's rip it off. Oh, I love the form factor, I love the sheen, I love the design. Oh, it's got 4 antenna lines on the sides. That's awesome. An awesome finish. And let's turn it on and see how it looks. There you go. You guys with me are the first ones to look at the XS Max in India. Look at that beauty. I love the form factor, you know, it's quite different than the 8 Plus. It's more sleek, it's easy to hold, access also is pretty fine, looks beautiful. So what else is in the box? Usual Apple headphones, charger, charging adapter, charging cable. Hello. I can't really wait to put in my SIM card and restore backup of my iPhone 10 and then get this beast going. What I'll do is I'm going to make some more videos and pictures I'll be sharing from tomorrow on Instagram and on other socials. So stay tuned for my another video of the features of the phone. Let's see what the phone has got inside it. I also got a beautiful cover. I've always been a lover for good covers for a phone because it actually acts like an insurance for your phone. And I have this iPhone leather case. It's called Midnight Blue, and let's see how it looks. Wow, it's got a beautiful felt inside and a nice leather finish on the side with metal buttons on the side for accessing your buttons on the phone. Let's see how the phone looks inside. Hello, looks beautiful, isn't it? Right guys, so stay tuned. I'm really excited to start my phone now and then get it going. See you soon. Bye bye.